Okay, I got some emails about how to submit your Excel assignment. Now, this is your MBA page, and your Excel assignment is right here. You need to download your Excel assignment. This is your practice assignment. So if you click on this, I'm using Firefox right now, so I would go ahead and save the file. So let's go ahead and save this file. And then once you save the file, um, if you're using Firefox, and I would definitely recommend all of you use Firefox, you can open up Excel, right? You open up Excel, you work on this data set just as a practice, and then once you're done, click here and you see this. So you can then browse your local file and then go ahead and select the file you worked on. Remember to rename the file, right? Last name dash. So you basically use last name assignment 0. You browse it, you select that particular file wherever you've saved it, right? And once you do that, if you need to make any comments, you can write that and then you can click submit. Once you click submit, it gets saved and you have submitted your assignment. I hope this helps. There shouldn't be any problem submitting your assignment. If you're having trouble, use Firefox. I look forward to seeing you all next week.